In this video, we are going to learn about what is Maven build lifecycle. This is very most important topic when we go to any interview in any company. If they want to ask you at least one question from the Maven, right? This will be that question. Build lifecycle. If you see here, total Maven build lifecycle is divided into three parts, or we can say three life cycles. The first part is default life cycle. This default life cycle, and the second one is clean life cycle, and then third one is site life cycle. I will explain what are these. In the default life cycle, when we execute, uh, install or deploy, then it will execute all the goals in the same order. For example, if I execute the Maven goal deploy, then first it will validate the .xml file and then compile the test cases and then run the test cases, compile the source code files and run the test cases, and create the package, create the jar or var files, and then run the integration test cases, and then create a jar or war file and place that jar or war file inside .m2 folder, and then finally this deploy goal will take that jar file or war file from the .m2 folder and copy that jar file or war file into remote repository, which we have configured inside sites settings.xml file. This this is nothing but the default life cycle. The clean life cycle contains the only one goal, that is nothing but the clean. When you use clean goal, right, it will go to it will try to look for the target folder, and whatever the files already generated by the previous build, those fields, those files, it will be deleted, it will be removed, and then it will delete the target folder as well. That is the clean one. And then coming to site life cycle, this site life cycle is nothing, is having the site goal only. This is just for creating or generating the documentation about your project. For example, if you are using any project, right, that project might be having so many source files are there. What are the use for each and every source file? We will write some documentation as part of that source file. So that source file documentation will be generated by the site life cycle. Okay, this is what about the Maven build life cycle. Please do like, share and subscribe for more encouragement. Thank you guys.